wet and stormy day here in the Mid-South. Listen, we needed the rain. It has been a while since we had a good rainfall, and so today's going to be the day. Maybe a little inconvenient, right, with the fact that it's going to be with us most of the day, but overall it should be pretty beneficial. Now, this is a live look at Shelby Farms. Looking very stormy here. We have had a little bit of a break in the rain here in Tennessee, but it's going to be moving over the river pretty quickly. Temperatures right now 60s and 70s, so the rain-cooled air, you can kind of see where it is based on the cooler temperatures. Memphis 66 degrees, Blytheville 67. The air out ahead of that is going to be in the 70s, Corinth and Oxford included. So yeah, there's sort of the main line of showers and storms. This is well out ahead of a cold front. Sort of the leading edge of that is moving through North Mississippi right now. If you're in East Arkansas, you're seeing just steady rainfall coming down, all of these yellows and oranges. Here in Memphis, it kind of stopped for a little bit, and now it's moving into Shelby County, crossing the river right now, and so that should be with us for most of the afternoon. There is some severe threat according to the Storm Prediction Center. I think overall it's pretty low. You can see this is not a very sharp edge, sort of with these line of storms going up, and so the wind threat's going to be a little less. This is also your outflow right here, so you see this little boundary right here out ahead of the rain. That's basically rain-cooled air moving out from the main system, and so if that gets too far out ahead of it, you sort of get cool air behind that, and that makes things more stable and definitely limits the severe weather threat. But yeah, definitely going to be a wet afternoon here, and again, once that starts here pretty soon, it should be with us most of the day, not tapering off until the evening. The good news is the weekend looks pretty nice. 80 degrees for your high tomorrow, 82 on Sunday, maybe a spotty shower tomorrow morning, maybe a spotty shower Sunday. But in general, I think especially Saturday, we should see a decent amount of sunshine. Okay, so Monday is going to sort of be the main day in terms of our severe weather chances. Now, right now, the Storm Prediction Center has the best chance to the north of us. I do think that there is going to be either an enhanced or a moderate risk up there, so either a level 3 or a level 4. Up to the north, with sort of subsequent risks going down the line. Now, we're right now on the lower edge of that. The reason for that is because basically to forecast severe weather, you can kind of break it down to two ingredients: instability and wind shear. Wind shear is just how winds change with height, how that helps storms to get organized. And then instability is just it's instability. It's what makes your storms go up. Now, we're going to have a lot of instability over the Mid-South on Monday. Right now, the way the models have it, the strongest shear is going to be kind of displaced from that instability just to the west. That's the reason that we're only on the tail end of that, and North Mississippi is not included. But I kind of have a feeling in subsequent model runs, those two things are going to come together a little more. They sometimes tend to as you get a little closer to the date of the event. So we'll definitely watch that for a southward extent. But either way, even the way it is right now, we could see an all-hazard severe weather threat. That includes damaging winds, hail, and the chance of a couple of tornadoes. The timing of that is going to be Monday night, probably after dark. This model has it coming through much later. I mean, this is basically after midnight. I don't think it'll be that late, but I'm guessing after dark is when this comes through. We'll definitely have more information on that as we get a little closer and some of the more high-resolution models come in. Here's a check of your 10-day forecast. So storms today, showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Over the weekend, relatively nice 80s. We should see a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow with pretty minimal rain chances, and then just tracking that severe weather threat on Monday. Zanetta?